This video will demonstrate the recommended installation and setup. The brewer must be disconnected from the power source throughout the initial setup, except when specified. Attach main water line to the male flare fitting assembly. Securely attach the fitting assembly to the water fitting under brewer. Turn on water supply and verify no water leaks are present. Connect the brewer to the power source. Turn on the main on-off switch located on the lower right of the brewer. Water will start to fill the tank. The display screen will read, "Please wait. Tank filling," until tank is filled with water. Wait approximately 20 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. Water temperature will be displayed during this time. When the water temp is at operating temperature, ready to brew, will show on the display screen. After the tank is filled, place a small container beneath the faucet and open the faucet handle. Place a clean empty brew funnel into funnel rails. Place a clean empty server under funnel. The brewer is now ready for brewing.